Today's recipe has nourished my family for generations. This isn't just about cooking, it's about preserving a delicious piece of history. I'm showing you a South Sudanese dry okra soup, which reminds me of the warmth of home and tradition. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. The ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below, so let's get straight into the steps. In a large pot, I add all ingredients except the cumin powder, garlic, and dry okra powder. I top the ingredients up with water, stir to combine, and cook this for 40 to 45 minutes or until the meat is cooked. I like mine soft but still firm. Once the meat is cooked to my liking, I add the garlic and cumin powder, adjust the water level, and allow 5 minutes for these to blend in. At this point, I add the dry okra powder and whisk it into the soup until it's well blended in with no lumps. The kitchen is now filled with the warm and earthy aromatic fragrance of cumin powder and garlic. I adjust salt to taste and add more water because I wanted a light soup. Once happy with the consistency of the soup, I let it boil before turning the heat off. Our dry okra soup is now ready and it is super tasty. We paired it with Ethiopian injera, but it can also be served with kisra or asida. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it as much as I do. If you like this recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up, engage in the comments section, share and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.